If your Knoxville home feels drafty in the winter or lets in too much heat during the summer, your doors might be part of the problem. Older or poorly insulated doors can quietly drain energy, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime and driving up monthly utility bills. The good news? Energy-efficient replacement doors offer a smart, long-term solution that improves comfort while cutting costs. Why old doors cost you more money? Many Knoxville homes still have doors installed decades ago, before modern energy standards existed. These doors often have thin cores, worn weather stripping, or warped frames that allow air leaks. Even small gaps can lead to noticeable energy loss, especially during Tennessee's humid summers and chilly winters. When outdoor air sneaks in, your heating and cooling system has to compensate. That means higher energy use, inconsistent indoor temperatures, and rising utility bills month after month. How energy-efficient replacement doors work? Energy-efficient replacement doors are designed to block heat transfer and prevent air infiltration. Modern materials and construction techniques make a major difference compared to older models. Key features include insulated cores that reduce heat flow, tight ceiling frames, and weather stripping to stop drafts, energy-efficient glass options for doors with windows, precision installation that eliminates gaps and weak points together. These features help maintain a stable indoor temperature, so your HVAC system runs more efficiently and less often. Lower utility bills year-round. Knoxville's climate puts unique demands on homes. Summers are hot and humid, while winters can still bring cold snaps. Energy-efficient replacement doors help in both seasons. In summer, insulated doors keep hot outdoor air from entering your home, reducing the load on your air conditioner. In winter, they trap warm air inside, helping your heating system maintain comfort without constant cycling. Homeowners often notice reduced energy bills shortly after installation, along with fewer hot and cold spots near entryways. Comfort you can feel every day. Lower utility bills are a big win, but improved comfort is what homeowners often appreciate most. Energy-efficient doors eliminate drafts, cold floors near entrances, and temperature swings between rooms. You'll also benefit from better noise reduction, especially if you live near busy streets or high traffic areas in Knoxville. A well-insulated door creates a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Stylish designs that boost curb appeal. Energy efficiency doesn't mean sacrificing appearance. Today's replacement doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to match any Knoxville home, from classic Southern designs to modern aesthetics. Options include decorative glass panels, wood-look finishes, sleek fiberglass styles, and durable steel doors. Not only do these upgrades improve efficiency, but they also enhance curb appeal and increase home value. A smart investment for Knoxville homeowners. Replacing old doors with energy-efficient models is an investment that pays off over time. Between lower utility bills, improved comfort, and increased resale value, homeowners see strong long-term benefits. Many Knoxville homeowners also appreciate that energy-efficient doors require minimal maintenance and are built to withstand humidity, temperature changes, and everyday use. Upgrade your home's efficiency today. If you're tired of high energy bills and uncomfortable drafts, energy-efficient replacement doors are a practical and impactful upgrade. They help your home work smarter, not harder, keeping you comfortable while reducing energy costs. For Knoxville homeowners looking to improve efficiency without major renovations, replacing your doors is one of the simplest ways to make a noticeable difference.